Thank you for following along. Another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations. Happy Saturday. How you guys doing out there? Well, I hope. Thank you for liking and subscribing and supporting the channel. It really means the world to me. We're going to give this old Musicman RD50 one final spin. This is post-resto. Then we're going to send her on home. You guys be safe out there and take it easy. All right, let's set this thing up from scratch. See if we can make some sounds. So that's my guitar noise. Sounds very nice. It's a beautiful sound. So punishingly loud, just on number 4. 4 out of 10 volume. Perfect country tone. Too bad I can't play it. Beautiful. Wow, incredibly loud. Beautiful. So loud. Let's go back here. It's clean. Pretty tough to move my fingers around. We're just all a stiff guy right here. But that's it. I think she came out beautifully. She's got some soul. I really do like this amp. Hope you guys are doing well on a Saturday.